Hi, this is Kalidas. Welcome to Saudi Stocks and Derivative. To know more about Saudi stock market and investment, follow our YouTube channel. Today, I am going to talk about one more investment opportunity in Saudi stock market. That opportunity is Bin Dawood Holding Company Initial Public Offer (IPO). This is the third IPO in current year 2020. The first one is Dr. Suleiman Habib. That was the offer price 50 Saudi Riyal. Now it's trading around 98 Riyal. This was listed in the end of March 2020. And second one is Amlak International Real Estate Finance. The offer price was 16 Riyal. Now it's trading around 22 to 23 Riyal. This was listed at the end of August. Now let's talk about Bin Dawood IPO. Bin Dawood IPO highlights. Offer period starts 27 September to 29 September, 3 working days. Offer shares. Company offering 2.2 billion shares. IPO type. Book building fresh IPO. Face value 10 Saudi Riyal per equity share. IPO price limit. Company announced the price limit 84 Saudi Riyal to 96 Saudi Riyal. Minimum order quantity. Minimum 10 shares we can order. Market lot 10 shares can be applied. 10, 20, 30 in terms of 10 quantity. Allotment date. If you apply for IPO, you can get application allotment 1st October 2020. Refund date. If you have any excess amount from the IPO allotment, the company will refund your amount 1st October 2020. Application mode. Net banking, ATM, telephone banking. Eligibility, Saudi nationality and residents of Saudi Arabia and GCC resident. Stock is going to listed in Saudi Tadawul main market. Bin Dawood Holding Company, one of the leading grocery retail operator of the hyper and supermarket in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. The sector which is highly resilient during COVID-19 crisis. The first store was opened in Mecca in 1984. As of now, company has 27 hypermarket. Brand is everything, almost without thinking. Brand is everything. One more time. It's the top priority in the business. Bin Dawood operate two complementary brands. Bin Dawood mass mid-market brand towards value offering with a competitive pricing strategies. Danube premium value grocery brand catering to the higher end of the customer spectrum. Store count. Company has total 51 hypermarkets, 22 supermarkets. Stores offering 14,000 products including item not sold anywhere else in Saudi Arabia. Bin Dawood Holding Company is the strongest in the western region with a 48% of its all store located there. It recently opened last Danube store in April in this year. Currently 46 Danubes and 27 Bin Dawood store which are collectively make up total gross area of 5.5 million square meter and total selling area of 3.64 million square meter, and 27% of central region have stores and 15% of eastern regions and 10% southern region of Saudi Arabia. Bin Dawood Holding Company operate a retail grocery chain is near to the two holy mosques in Makkah and Medina. Its unparalleled access to an increasingly large number of pilgrims which visit the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia on annual basis. In 2019, 9.95 million pilgrims visited Saudi Arabia and this figure is expected to increase 30 million pilgrims by 2030, making out of the significant growth potential of Umrah and Hajj. The chart showing the business of the Bin Dawood Holding Company is increasing during Hajj and Ramadan. In Saudi retail market, there are some limited competitor is there. Let's say Panda Retail have 214 retail stores and Al Watayam they have 214 retail stores and Farm Stores they have 103 retail stores and Bin Dawood have 73 retail stores, and Lulu Saudi Hyper have 17 retail stores. Per sales wise, Bin Dawood Holding Company is in the third place. Panda Retail is in the first place and Ottaim is in the second place. After that, Lulu Hypermarket and Farms Superstore, other small groceries. Bin Dawood Holding Company was the first retail grocery operator in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia offer online sales through Danube Online and Danube mobile application. A mobile application platform launched in 2017 and Bin Dawood mobile application launched 2019. In 2019, 11 million riyal of revenue generated from the online stores, and 2018 33 million riyal from the online showroom, and 2019 62 million riyal from the online showroom. Year by year increasing online sales. Revenue breakdown. Major revenue of the company is depends on the selling of FMCG product. Almost 60% of the company revenue it's coming from FMCG division, and fresh food including perishables and vegetables, nuts, meats and fish, bakery items it's almost 26%, and not food product mainly including household and gifting item of pilgrims it's almost 14 to 16%. Let's have a look about the financial status of the company. Bin Dawood Holding Company is a debt-free company and fund from operation is uniformly coming from 2017 to 2019. 2017 544 million riyal and 2018 520 million riyal, and 2019 it's increasing 769 million riyal. It's come from funds from operations. The major key financial metrics of the company. The gross profit of the company from 2017 to 2019 is standard almost 32 to 34%. Company keep on constanting the gross profit margin, and net profit margin from 2017 to 2019 8.757%, constantly making profit. This is a healthy sign of the company. Company is making profit on constant basis. On day by day increasing the sales, the company can get more huge revenue from the operation. The major cost for the company is rent and employer cost. Currently, company have 9,874 employees. In the out of 9,874 employees, approximately 23.4% are Saudi national people. The remainings are other nationality, and 3,686 employees under the sponsorship of manpower supply by third party, so that the company no need to pay more cost for the labor cost. Future, over the next 5 years, company plan to continue its geographical expansion. Company is more interested to expand the business from Danube stores. The company is exploring option to open new store outside of the Saudi Arabia, in particularly Middle East, especially Dubai. Company is going to open 3 more new stores in Makkah and Jeddah in 2021. How to subscribe Bin Dawood IPO? Ensure you have an active current account with one of the participating bank. Al Rajhi Bank and NCB Bank is the participating bank. The subscription open on 27 September up to 29 September. You can apply upper price band, let's say 96 Saudi Riyal. After application, you have to wait up to October 1st. October 1st, company allot share for subscriber. Some subscriber may cannot get full allotment. Those who don't have full allotment, they can get for refund. Company will refund on October, and company may complete the all procedure with the Tadawul for listing within the first week of October, and the share may list in the first week of October. In IPO investment, there are 2 types of investors there. One is after getting allotment, shares will wait for the listing and monitor the share price first 2-3 days and gain the profit and sell the shares in the secondary market for listing gain. Second one is the long term investors. The investor will hold the stocks for 2-3 years. Let's wait for the IPO and let's apply. Let's see how it's going to listing. And by the way, this thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, give a likes and share to your friends. You have any comments, give a comments in the comment section. Thank you, and follow our Facebook channels and YouTube channels Saudi Stocks and Derivatives for Saudi stock market related information. Thank you.